So I'm really excited to be here, learn more on this forum about the floodgates of litigation that's going to be arising pretty soon.
My name's Alan Brown. I'm with the firm Day and Brown in Tustin. Do primarily plaintiffs' medical malpractice work, some legal mal work, and personal injury work. All right, I want to get kind of right to it. I was thinking about what Christine asked me to talk about, and there's really two parts to this. One is, what are we going to do when the court's open? And the other part for me is how to get your office set up for that. So the first thing I would try to do is meet with whoever else is in your office and try to figure out what's the best plan for us. And so I'm asking everybody in my office to come up with things that they think we can do better during this time period. We're also using this time to get more in touch with our clients. We're reaching out to each one of our clients either by a phone call or an email to see how are you doing. Also, in terms of going through the cases, we're making sure that everybody's served for the case.
So I encourage all my friends in litigation, like, file. Why not file? Get in, at least you're getting in line.
Every 2 weeks, I'm having the paralegal who's handling that case go on the court website to see if something has been put on calendar that we have not received notice of on it, because it's happened to us on 2 cases. We've seen that they've moved stuff and we didn't get notice of it. It's been more than 30 days.
Like last couple of days, I got an influx of notices from the court in Orange County setting trial dates in 2021. And it was a little bit like, where did these come from? So,
right now, from my understanding, is all statutes and limitations are stayed until 90 days after the emergency order is lifted. It's tough to judge when that statute date will be. We got notice from the Orange County Superior Court a few weeks ago. There's going to be no trials for 25 weeks.
I file lawsuits all over the state of California, and it's absolutely different everywhere, from San Diego up to Northern California. It's absolutely different.
The rules are such in flux right now, and we don't really know when we're going to start up again.
The real question we have, and the other reporters can probably speak to this too, is people wearing masks creates a muffled record. And if somebody comes in and says, I don't want my temperature taken, or I don't want to wear a mask, I guess we could force the issue, but then the depot ends, right? So then there becomes another concern with how do you notice the depot? And
I think everybody in that situation is going to have to just make an individual decision and try to use just common sense, which is not something we want to depend on, but that's what we have to do. Mark, what are you guys doing?
Be flexible and just get the depot done.
Mark, I 100% agree with you, because right now it's almost impossible to go to courthouses.
How do you think this is going to impact the newbies?
Whatever you can do to get into the job market, please do at this point. There are opportunities.
You know, Alan and I might have to be a little bit more creative in the types of things we do, but I do know that litigation or law, there's a need for it in times of crisis.
Thank you very much, both of you.
Thank you both, Christine, Jean, Mark, everybody. I've been loving these forums, and I've been loving the people that I'm meeting. So thank you for having me.